Hi guys, so right now we're in Zurich, and as you can see over here, this is the Zurich Lake. It's really pretty. It doesn't really look a lot like Lausanne Lake, and the Zurich Lake is pretty small. So yeah. Whoa! So today we're going to a special place, but I can't tell you yet, or else it won't be a surprise. And I really want it to be a surprise so that you can get surprised, I guess. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, At the Adventure Unicorn. Dun dun dun! This is the surprise. So you might understand now where we're going because of the name. So today we're at the Lindt chocolate making factory. As you can see over there, it says Home of Chocolate. And we're probably gonna try some chocolate and everything. So come on, follow me. So here it tells you about the cocoa. That's why chocolate is called chocolate, because the thing it's made of is actually called cocoa. So yeah. And also before we go to the chocolate testing area, here is the history of how the Lindt chocolate is made, and it's actually kind of interesting. And it tells you facts. They also give you this, those things where you can listen to with headphones and stuff. They give you that thing. There are quite a few languages, but we chose English for sure. But you can also have German or French, or Italian or Spanish. So it's really handy. And the tour takes about 15 to 30 minutes, and you see that little circle that I just scanned it on. There you gotta scan it, and then you can listen to what it says. So this is a thing, and it mixes the chocolate, and it looks really satisfying. And I really want to touch it, but I can't. I don't know what this machine is called, but it does something to the chocolate which makes it taste even better. And here it tells you the complete and perfect life cycle of how chocolate is made, from step number 1 all the way to the end until the chocolate is finally ready to eat, which is really cool. And it also has diagrams and pictures, so you can see what's actually happening. And it's actually pretty cool. Okay, so think about what's famous in Switzerland. Put it down in the comment box below. So for example, what comes to my mind first is cheese, milk, cows, mountains, and definitely chocolate. So for example, the Lindt chocolate, the factory we were visiting today, and the ambassador of the Lindt chocolate is Roger Federer. So we've come to this place where if we like push up, we can like try samples. We gotta like pull a button. There are like tons of spoons, and then we can just like eat the chocolate. There are 3 different flavors that we can try from, which is fresh chocolate, and there are 3 different flavors, which are there's dark chocolate, there's milk chocolate, and white chocolate. My favorite was probably white chocolate or milk chocolate. Dark chocolate's not really my favorite because for me, in my opinion, it tastes kind of burnt. No offense if you like love dark chocolate, but like in my opinion, milk chocolate is just the best. Because I mean like it's a mixture of white chocolate and dark chocolate. So it has the taste of both of them. That's why I really like milk chocolate. And also there is no limited like how much you can take. You can take like 18 spoonfuls of every flavor. There's no limit. But if you go here, make sure you brush your teeth at night because you've been eating a lot of sugar. Well, I have at least right now. You'd be eating a lot of sugar and that's kind of bad for your teeth. So like make sure you brush your teeth. So here are like different like chocolate flavors, like what you can like also put in chocolates. And this is also like a little photo booth, and you can take pictures there. Here is like a sample to try like the different flavors. Like there's this one, there's stracciatella, there's salted caramel, there's dark chocolate, there's strawberry, and lots more, and white chocolate of course, and lots more. So it's very yummy. Yum, yum, yum. You can't buy these because these are samples and you can't take them home either. You have to eat as many as you want here. And like, yeah. But if you want to buy chocolates and take them home, there's a shop on the ground floor that you can buy chocolates from. So like, yeah. And on the ground floor, there are not only these flavors, but much more different varieties of flavors. So this is the end of my day in the Lindt chocolate factory, and I like really hope you enjoyed it because I mean like I loved it, and especially the part where we got to like taste chocolate, but my mouth got like so sweet after. It felt so weird, and I almost hated chocolate for that second. And so this is the end, and this thing, I need to tell you a fact. It's standing 9.3 meters tall, and it weighs up to 3 tons. And yeah, that's probably it. Bye! don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications button for more of my upcoming videos. Bye!